Hello everypony, Princella Gorna of Aquilonia here, and today we are going to be playing a little bit more Will You Press the Button. I haven't done this one in a while. Last one I did was Would You Rather. So, yeah, let's see what kind of absolute insanity we get with this. First one is, you have Gordon Ramsay as your personal chef. Awesome. He will swear at you if you don't finish everything he makes. That sounds like typical Gordon Ramsay. I don't really see the difference with this. But is that something I'd really want to take? Answer, probably not. I don't respond well to people yelling at me. It usually ends in fisticuffs. Or crying. A lot of people, 66% would press the button. Because, yeah, Gordon Ramsay probably is just that fucking good of a chef that some people are willing to take it. I'm not. I'll make my own damn food, thank you. Okay. Every TV show you watch will end exactly as you wish. You will never know how the show was supposed to end. Okay, so that means no leaked scripts, no alternate endings and special features, nothing like that. It's just how I want the show to end is how it will end, regardless of whether it was supposed to do that or not. You know what? I don't even really like this question that much. Because it's not... Hold on. Sorry. I still have a little bit of that cough from earlier in the week. But, yeah, no. It's not up to me to dictate an artist's vision for them. Or a studio's vision for their property. That's like, I mean, yes, I as a fan can have some influence on a show. Clearly, us bronies have had influence on the show, but it's not up to any of us to decide how a show is supposed to go. That's supposed to be the vision of the creators. And I don't want to interfere with that because that's not good. So, no, I ain't pressing this button. Fuck that. 50-50 even. What are the odds of that? Yeah, that's actually a pretty decent one. Okay, you are awesome, but no one but you recognizes it. This is already my fucking life. Yeah. Of course, let's all be confident in how awesome we are, regardless of if anyone else recognizes it. You're awesome, you're awesome, you're awesome, you're awesome, you're all awesome, I'm awesome. At least I hope I'm awesome. I try to be awesome. I can be a little bit of a neurotic wreck, but I try to be awesome. So, yeah, basically I just turned into Guy from from Naruto. But you're all awesome. Yeah, that one's okay. Okay, play all the video games you want for the rest of your life, but you die a virgin. I am 29 years old. And okay, this one's going to go in the TMI column. I'm 29 years old and still a virgin. I don't want to be a virgin, but I'm in no particular hurry to get rid of it, because in the end it really doesn't matter that much. And I'd rather wait for the right person anyway. And also, yeah, video games aren't as good as sex, but video games are a perfectly fine substitute. At least they last longer and they give you more to do. So, yeah, I'm okay with this one. Of course, a lot of people are even more lust crazed than I am. 65% of you. Yeah, nothing new here. Thank you, Rhett. Okay, you can save the world, but you die as soon as you do. So, how am I going to die? Am I going to die in the act of saving the world? Am I going to be a martyr? Because that's okay. Martyrs go down in history. Or is it just you save the world and then you just die of a random heart attack? That's kind of shit. No. I want to save the world, but no. Yeah, I'm glad 62% of people have pressed the button, though. Because that means that there's a lot of good people still out there in the world. And that makes me happy. With all the shit you see in the media and everything, that just makes me happy. Okay. You receive $500,000 every year for life. Ooh, I likey. Once a year, at random, you are kidnapped for a week. Did you know that you can actually pay people to do this? At least I've heard that you can actually pay people to go out and kidnap someone for a week. No harm comes to them. Nothing like that. It's just if you've ever seen the movie The Game, that early David Fincher movie, that one with Michael Douglas and Ed Norton that really fucks with your head. Yeah, it's something kind of like that. It's all literally supposed to be a game. Like an intense, real, like live action role playing. But it's really messed up. But again, you don't get hurt or anything. It's just somebody comes and grabs you and throws you in the back of a van and takes you to a resort for like a week. But yeah, that's kind of scary. But again, sorry. You get $500,000 every year. I can live with this. Thank you. Thank you, 73% of people. Starting a year from now, you are guaranteed 30/20 eyesight for life. Oh, that's the dream. You guys haven't really seen me in my glasses yet, have you? But you will be completely blind for the next year. Get me that dragon type to, that dragon software stuff, the one where you yell at the computer and it types shit for you. But then again, I work in a job that requires a little bit of visual input. Can't exactly do cleaning if you can't see. But I'd have perfect eyesight. Oh. Actually, thinking about this one gets harder and harder the more I do. I can't really decide, so I'm just gonna eeny, meeny, miny, mo this shit. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If you always let me go, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, so, yeah, it's saying press the button. 4060. Okay. Ah ha 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 ha. Cosplay Terzi. I don't know much about Homestuck, but I know they're the one that is blind and has, like, the bandage over their head that covers their eyes. Yeah, that's actually that best answer right there. A year of just cosplaying Homestuck. Okay. I ain't even reading this one. Skip it. Fuck it. No. That's way too close. Really? You guys would murder your pet for $50? That's not a comma there, people. That is a period 000. Also, there should not be a final 0 there, because we do not count hundredths of a cent. So, no, bad, fuck you, go to hell. You can be a hero and save a city, but, you have to take your own... How the fuck does that even work? No, bad. Save the cheerleader, save the world. You can control the weather, but you have a headache every moment. That's a lame power. I already get enough headaches. Well, actually, that's not a lame power. That's a lame side effect of your powers. No, I don't want that. Then 73% of people don't want that. No. Okay, here we go. This one's a bit more involved. You'll get $100, and it will keep doubling every day. But after a month has passed, you will have to answer a question from this website every day, one random one, and it will come true. Okay, so there's a lot of shit options on this site, but there's a lot of awesome ones and exponential dollar growth. I'll press it. I'll take this challenge. Yeah, that one's good. Okay, you will have XRay Vision and will be able to look through people's clothing. You're just trying to get me in trouble, aren't you? But you can't control it. Anyone you look at will be nude. That's not technically right. They will appear nude to me, but they will not actually be nude. That's not how X-ray vision works. Technically, X-ray vision would mean I would be seeing bare skeletons when I look at people. But, no. No, I'm a pervert, but I'm not that much of a fucking pervert. I don't need that in my life. This one's almost 50-50 split. That is a pretty good one, though. I do like that. Okay, you have free internet connection with 500 megabytes per second, but Tumblr is down forever. I'm pretty sure I've answered this before, and my answer was, Tumblr is shit. The only reason I use it is because everyone else in the brony community uses it. But it is a fucking shit site with staff that has no clue how to run it, people that make social justice, which is a bunch of real, fair issues that need to be taken care of and looked at and examined and analyzed, and compromises need to be made so that more people get better representation in our system and things become more fair and we live with greater equality, get turned into a fucking joke by people who confuse the bully pulpit and being assholes with being activists. You all know who all of you are. Eat the biggest bag of dicks. All of you. No, I'm not going to stoop low enough to name names. But I really fucking want to. I really, really fucking want to. But yeah. And then you have, on the opposite end to the crazy, rabid SJWs, the crazy, rabid anti-SJWs that pretend like the system isn't broken, and because these assholes are polluting the discourse, that the discourse isn't even worth talking about. And that's equally pisses me the fuck off. Oh god. Tumblr is such a shit fucking site. Like, there's times I look at it and go, why did I leave Facebook to come here? And then I go back to Facebook and realize Facebook is even fucking worse. Oh god, what happened to social media in just 2 years? 2 fucking years. And Twitter ain't much better either, so let's not even pretend like it is. I'm just waiting for us to all migrate back to MySpace and grovel at Tom's feet begging for forgiveness. Or that, or go back to LiveJournal. Or maybe Blogger. Oh, God. But yeah, in short, if I got like super high speed internet for free, Tumblr can see this. Suck it, bitches. Yeah, I'll press the fucking button. Thank you. Apparently, the majority of the world understands just how fucking shit Tumblr is. You would be rich. Okay, I need to calm down after that one, because not only did I overthink it, but I fucking pissed myself off with it. So, let's jump into this one. You would be rich and be able to order anything you could realistically to your home. I feel like there's something there that should be there, but I don't know what it is. But you can never leave your home. So I'd be fucking Howard Hughes. I'm not the most social person, but I do need to get out and see someone at some point in order to stay mildly sane. A lot of people would rather get free stuff, though, so, My home would be a giant castle that spans an entire underground city. Yeah, just like Kim Jong-un with North Korea, basically. Yeah, that one was so-so. Okay. You have the ability to stop. Okay, I already know I'm pressing the button with this one. I just want to read it out loud. You have the ability to stop anyone from acting racist, sexist, homophobic, transphobic, or otherwise bigoted. But you're forced to hear their bigoted thoughts instead. Where's the downside here? I get to take on all the shit in the world so no one else has to. That's kind of my goal in life anyway. I've basically accepted that in the grand scheme of things, I would rather take on the entire world shit than have anyone else suffer. I know that's not actually healthy. That is a very big martyr complex. And one of these days it's probably going to get me hurt really bad. But yeah, I don't mind. Well, okay, sometimes I do mind. Sometimes I do take on way more stuff than I really should. But other people are more important than me. To me. Is what I'm trying to say. To me personally, I don't mean as much in the grand scheme of things as all of you people out there do. So if I can ease your burden and help you be more comfortable in your lives, I will be uncomfortable in my life. And I will do it happily. So yes, I am pressing that button. 55%. That's pretty close, but it's still a majority. Yes, I like that one. Thank you. And the last one for this one is you can wish for anything you want, whenever you want, but somebody will die after every wish is granted. Okay, I just said that I would sacrifice myself for the sake of everyone else. No, that's too high of a burden. No, that's not good for me. Wow. I just got done praising the majority of people for being good people. And then y'all gotta be assholes with this. Really? Oh, I wish no one would die for my wishes. Well, if I could do that, then yeah, that changes things. But as it stands as stated, hell no. Oh, really? 62%. 62% of people would willingly sacrifice potentially thousands of people to have their wishes granted. Some of you really take Death Note a little bit too seriously, don't you? But yeah, I'm personally not comfortable with that. But what do you guys think? Would you be willing to sacrifice, again, potentially thousands of people just so your wishes could be granted? Or is that too much of a burden for you? Let me know in the comments below, and until next time, bye!